Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Abidzar Razaq, and today I will present to you about analysis of processor benchmarking. The processor I have used for benchmarking are from AMD Corporation. There is AMD Ryzen 3 3250 U-type and AMD Ryzen 7 500 I'm sorry, 5700 U-type. Before we begin, I will explain the definition of a processor and what is processor benchmarking. Firstly, let me explain what a processor is. Processor is a core unit inside a computer and have a function to perform data processing. The data processing is including arithmetic and logic operation within a computer system. According to my reading source, by Stalling in 27, a processor or CPU is responsible for operating data processing within a computer system, including arithmetic and logic operation. The performance of a processor greatly affect the overall performance of the computer system in computational or data processing tasks. According to my another reading source by Audala in 2011, the execution time of processor can be divided to into three categories. First category is slow and moderate, and the last category is faster. There is also an opinion that the speed of a processor in executing tasks is influenced by the number of cores and threads. The more cores and threads, uh, the more cores and threads the processor is have a speed in performing tests, execution, and computations. This opinion was declared by Wei Xin Liangma and their colleagues in a paper where the paper is published in Alexandria Engineering Journal in 2021. And then I will explain about benchmarking. Benchmarking is a method used to determine and analyze the performance of a computer system. By benchmarking processor, we can determine the speed and performance of processor uh, executing the tasks. And then here is specification of processor. The AMD Ryzen 3 has 2 core and 4 threads with a speed 2.6 GHz. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 7 has 8 core and 16 threads with a speed of processor is 1.8 GHz. And the other part is have a same detail. And here is benchmark test result with Zenbench R23 software. Um, we have the results. The Ryzen 7 have more higher performance in multi-core performance. With the score is 5,159 points, while the AMD Ryzen 3 just have scored 1,701 points. It can also be observed that the AMD Ryzen 3 performance for single core performance is better than AMD Ryzen 7. And then for the single core, AMD Ryzen 3 is better than AMD Ryzen 7. If AMD Ryzen 7 is have performance on multi-core, here AMD Ryzen 3 have performance in single core. This result is from Syah R23. And then we have the result from benchmark test results with Geekbench 6 software. The AMD Ryzen 7 is excellent in both of single core and multi-core performance. We can look at the table. Based of the result with Geekbench 6, the AMD Ryzen 7 is a processor that have a faster performance for both single core and multi-core processing. Here the test result for gaming performance. The AMD Ryzen 7 is superior for gaming, specifically for the game Outlast Whistleblower, Warcraft Primal, and Sekiro Shadow Die Twice. With average, if AMD Ryzen 7 in Outlast Whistleblower game have average for the frame rate per second is 40 is 53, I'm sorry, and the AMD Ryzen 3 have 48 frame rate per second average. And for the 4K primal, AMD Ryzen 7 have average frame rate per second is 25, and then the AMD Ryzen 3 have 22 average frame rate per second. And for the Sekiro Shadow Die Twice game, AMD Ryzen 7 is have 27 frame rate per second, and then AMD Ryzen 3 have 22 FPS or frame rate per second. And then the conclusion of uh, my analysis of benchmarking processor, here it is. Based on the data available in the comparison tables and the result of the discussion, it can be concluded that the AMD Ryzen 7 is have a better performance of single core performance, multi-core performance, and gaming performance. But AMD Ryzen 3 have a more good single core performance. This we test in segments R23 software benchmark, and then that is my explanation about the benchmarking analysis of the processor AMD Ryzen 3 3250 U-type and Ryzen 7 5700 U-type, which is, I hope my explanation can be useful information in choosing which is faster processor in processing tasks. And here I recommended you to choose Ryzen 7 processor because have more faster execution tasks. And that's all. And thank you for your time.